Imagine you're in a foreign country, late at night, and you need a ride to your hotel. You whip out your phone, open an app, and within minutes, a car arrives. Ever wondered how this magic happens? It's all thanks to digital wallets like GrabPay. Digital wallets have revolutionized the way we pay. They're like having a virtual bank account in your pocket. One of the most popular digital wallets in Southeast Asia is GrabPay. But how do you actually use it? Let's break it down. Step 1. Download the Grab app. The first step is to download the Grab app from your app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once you've downloaded it, sign up for an account using your phone number or email address. Step 2. Verify your identity. To ensure security, Grab will require you to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your ID card or passport. Step 3. Add funds to your GrabPay wallet. Now, it's time to add funds to your GrabPay wallet. You can do this in several ways. Credit or debit card, simply add your card details to the app. Cash, look for GrabPay Cash Up points where you can deposit cash. Bank transfer, transfer funds directly from your bank account. Step 4. Explore GrabPay features. Once you have funds in your wallet, you can start using GrabPay for various services. Ride-hailing, book a Grab ride and pay directly from your wallet. Food delivery, order food from your favorite restaurants and pay with GrabPay. GrabPay card, use your GrabPay card to make purchases at physical stores. GrabPay bills, pay bills for utilities, mobile phones, and more. GrabPay send, send money to friends and family. Tips and tricks. Promotions, keep an eye out for promotions and discounts offered by GrabPay. Security, protect your GrabPay account by enabling two-factor authentication. Customer support, if you encounter any issues, contact GrabPay's customer support. GrabPay is a convenient and secure way to make payments in Southeast Asia. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and start using GrabPay. So, the next time you're in the region, be prepared to experience the convenience of digital payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.